Good morning, everyone. Today it is September 10th, 2025. Right now it's 63 degrees. The high is going to be at 67. So temperatures are in the 60s all day today. Mostly cloudy with humidity at 77%, dew point at 56, and our pressure at 30.21. Pressure's pretty comfortable, dew point's pretty nice. And we have our air breathe at 14, which is excellent. And as we look at our hourly forecast, we are going to have some rain in the early morning at 7 and 8 a.m. So be sure to put on a raincoat or something like that. However, after that, there's mainly a 10% chance the whole day. Uh, so just keep an eye out there. No need to worry though. But winds are at 10 miles per hour. Wind directions are in the north, northeast, and the northeast, mainly at around 7 to 11 miles per hour, which is considered average. As we look at Wednesday, there is a chance of showers in the morning, just so you get reminded of that. Thursday through next Thursday, nothing's really popped off yet. No rain, no nothing. But temperatures are just looks like they're in the mid 70s, and a couple of days are in the high 70s, and our lows are at the mid 60s and low 60s. That is it for Dell weather for today. Actually, let me look at these alerts here. Yeah, there's still this rip current statement uh, um, through Wednesday, and I think that's it. It said 2 alerts, but whatever. Um, yeah, there's still that rip current statement, so don't surf, guys, in the surf zone. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Another rainy day in the books. Bye.